welcome to another fresh episode of Hit or Miss. And to start this video, I want to tell you viewers that I am pretty miffed. I'm miffed because it seems like only the new car buyers today have the option of having the luxury of a ventilated seats. Owners and car buyers who are going in for premium cars, very top end models and so on. But I don't think that the convenience that a ventilated seat offers should only be limited to those who can spend big bucks. And that is exactly why I'm making this video today. Because today I have a very special device with me that can turn the front seats of any vehicle into a ventilated seat, and that is this, by a brand called Autoform, a ventilated seating solution that can fit any car of any segment at any given point. Okay, so the first time that we open the package of the Autoform ventilated seat, we get to open up the entire contraption in its entirety. Now, the piece that we had with us was finished in black fabric with a very subtle red accent. And guess what? The car, the grand item that we had to demonstrate the product, also had blacked out seat with the same red accent. And the Autoform seat just meshed with it so well. Moreover, putting on the ventilated seat contraption was a very low effort and very less complicated affair. Now that is because the Autoform seat itself comes with elastic bands on the headrest area and the lower part area that allow you to snap it into position very quickly and easily. The entire thing is powered through a 12-volt adapter and the socket for which we can find in most modern cars. Now, before I start telling you about how it feels, let me tell you about the functionalities that are on offer with this particular device. Well, first of all, it gets 3 fan speeds which are high, middle and low. And the seat also has a cutoff function where it cuts off power after 2 hours of continuous operation. Now, I told you where the power is coming into this contraption, but all of the ventilation is taken care of by an additional fan which sits right in the middle of your legs. Now that is something that does protrude out a little. However, I am happy to report that in terms of the ventilation and the fan speed, there is not a lot of noticeable audio that will come between you and your driving. So with the specs as to say out of the way, let me tell you how it feels. Well, it is not very intrusive in any kind of way in terms of how you sit in the driver's seat of your car. The wire can be connected to any 12-volt socket inside your cabin. That can be up front here towards the center console or even here at the back like this grand item has. Now the company is of course giving you a lot of wire real estate so that you do not encounter any trouble in setting the device up as it is. Now let's come back to the suction fan that I was telling you about. This is the only thing that will feel weird when you are using this device in your car, because that entire unit sits in the middle of your legs, right beyond the seat's edge. Now that is important because it needs its own space to suck in air so that it can refresh the air inside the entire contraption and also keep giving you that feeling of ventilation that will keep you cool on a hot summer day. Operating the ventilated seat is also a very straightforward affair because you've got 2 sets of buttons right here on the left side of the ventilated seat here, and those buttons are for turning the device on and off and also for toggling between the 3 different ventilation modes that this seat contraption offers you. As an auto reviewer myself, there is one thing about ventilated seats that we try to look out for whenever we are testing a new car that offers this function, and that is the amount of noise from the fan and the ventilation unit that is coming into the cabin and audible to the driver. And on that front, I have to say I am a bit surprised by this modular ventilated seat alternative that I am showcasing to you right now, because of course I expect some noise from the fan that sits right between my legs here. However, even that is very minimum, and I do not think that it is a deal breaker in terms of the convenience and luxurious feel that I'm getting right now. Now in my books, I know definitely that I've got a winner when I can buy it, put it and forget it. And that's exactly what I've done with the Autoform's ventilated seat alternative that we have put in this Grand i10. Now, before I come to the definitive conclusion for the Autoform device, let me tell you the price of this product, because as any accessory or upgrade that you make to your car, the price is always an important factor, because you've already spent so much on buying your car in the first place. And in terms of pricing, the Autoform ventilated seat contraption, that I call it, is at a retail price of rupees 6,000. Moreover, there is good news, because the Autoform brand is also offering a 1-year warranty on these products, and these are only available through authorized dealers of theirs in each of their cities, including Mumbai, where we got this device from. But wait, there is a bit of more good news, because if you will approach your city's authorized Autoform dealer, then they might even let a bit off from the rupees 6,000 price tag, because as I am told, this device can be had for as low as rupees 4,800. And after learning that, in my books, this device is certainly a hit and nowhere near a miss for the kind of convenience that it offers to drivers of all cars and all segment owners. Let us know what you thought about this nifty device in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And also remember to press on that bell icon to get instant notifications on all our content.